kids, welcome to this fun and exciting math quiz. Have fun and enjoy.
Hooray!
Count to 10 first. Example problem. 33 plus 9 equals 42. Start by counting to 10. Break the number you are adding, 9, into smaller parts so you can make it 10. 33 plus 7 equals 40. Add the remaining part. 40 plus 2 equals 42. Count to 10 first. 45 plus 8 equals? Break 8 into smaller numbers and count to 10 first. 45 plus 5 equals 50. Add the rest of the number. 50 plus 3 equals 53. Count back to 10 first. 63 to 5 equals? Break 5 into smaller numbers and count to 10 first. 63 minus 3 equals 60. Subtract what's left. 60 minus 2 equals 58. Count to 10 first. 33 plus 37 equals? Break 37 into smaller numbers and count to 10 first. 33 plus 7 equals 40. Add the rest of the number. 40 plus 30 equals 70. Count back to 10 first. 84 to 7 equals? Break 7 into smaller numbers and count to 10 first. 84 minus 4 equals 80. Subtract what's left. 80 minus 3 equals 77. Count to 10 first. 44 plus 29 equals? Break 29 into smaller numbers and count to 10 first. 44 plus 6 equals 50. Break 23 into smaller numbers and add the tens first. 50 plus 20 equals 70. Add the rest of the number. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. 70 plus 3 equals 73. Count back to 10 first. 55 minus 8 equals? Break the 8 into smaller numbers and count to 10 first. 55 minus 5 equals 50. Subtract what's left. 50 minus 3 equals 47. Count to 10 first. 21 plus 69 equals? Break 69 into smaller numbers and count to 10 first. 21 plus 9 equals 30. Add the rest of the number. 30 plus 60 equals 90. Count back to 10 first. 34 to 15 equals? Break the 15 into smaller numbers and count to 10 first. 34 minus 4 equals 30. Break the 11 into smaller numbers and subtract the tens first. 30 minus 10 equals 20. Subtract what's left. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. 20 minus 1 equals 19. Count to 10 first. 77 plus 18 equals? Break 18 into smaller numbers and count to 10 first. 77 plus 3 equals 80. Break 15 into smaller numbers and add the tens first. 80 plus 10 equals 90. Add the rest of the number. 90 plus 5 equals 95. Count back to 10 first. 88 minus 39 equals? Break the 39 into smaller numbers and count to 10 first. 88 minus 8 equals 80. Break the 31 into smaller numbers and subtract the tens first. 80 minus 30 equals 50. Subtract what's left. 50 minus 1 equals 49. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time, and don't forget to watch our other videos.